Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. You are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Chippa United 0. Shout thanks. Hey, yabona.
Kumnandi vele. Ayimaswini lesijabule bro. Lesijabule.
Kumele nijabule ke ngaso sikhathi. Ngiyacomplain. Amanje mfethu ibona kanjani game manje?
Game avanda bro. First half laba bebadlala ngelow block. And low block yakhona bebavala amalentuzana ama-channel because i-Pirates vele noma abantu badlala i-low block sizama ukupenetrate ku-8 or la 8 or 10 yabona yeah so le coach le urayide ngiyamazi coach ehlakaniphile vele so ubatshelile wadala abantu laba maningabavala ngapha kuma wings bazoforce ukuthi bandlale ngaphakathi then nalapho valana and you saw that because bebadlala ngestrike esi1 but second half bachinge istrike bafaka istrike ezi2 bafaka le tsotsi le ebuya ku Durban City yabo so kwathola ukuthi manje makunjalo nathi siyabona ukuthi alright laba njengoba enentwana le umbuthuma mina I should have thought bayifaka second half not first half yabo because of experience but obviously coach didn't anticipate ukuthi kuzodlala low block ayile lantwana le ngicela inga give up idlale leyo idlala ngakhona ingaphela amandla izoba grand so but the game temperament for yena was not there because he's not that striker versatile and experienced ukudlula uMahopa. I should have thought ngabaqala ngoMahopa bamfaka second half bezosebenza lo game plan but kusho ukuthi ithema mabamkhipha bafaka uMahopa second half that change the complexion but it change ukuthi nabo laba bafaka ama 992 so bafaka ama 992 bebasibonisa ukuthi no bafuna ukudlala manje second half at least 45 minutes iphelile bangazama ngo45 les2 even noma score goal oqala if igame yavuleka kulapho baqale bathrow ama player phambili but unfortunately it was too late because bebavule emuva and then sakhona ba concede goal les2
yeah and then do you think le game le invula amathuba vele for ileague ukuthi like seyivulekile manje?
No, I think no. Yazi, I think that's the statement is dangerous because if you look at the first half, we should have scored 3 goals. If we scored 3 goals in the first half, bengizovumelana now. So we're still struggling penetrate ama game emele so awini, which is these types of a game.
Exactly.
So kushuthi masofia uKaizer Chiefs sofia ku Sundowns singafika si struggle although ama game wakhona awafani. But mina into engiyibona, let's take each game as it comes because it's important ukuthi umuntu une game plan uyazi ukuthi udlala nobani. Chippa United obviously njengoba ifike la had thought to themselves ukuthi hayi ngcono yazini first half not to say draw mangicabanga mangibabona badlala low block first half second half bafaka striker ngoba istrike ezithi so mina bebafuna ukukhuphula temperature bakhipha uriding evanga bafaka isinye striker so futhi manje bafaka ama fresh leg bakhipha mara ku striker so that igame yabo
bakhona no ngiyawakho mfethu congratulations
ngicela ukusho something ku social media ngicela abantu ama fans any fans asiphathane ngerespect sikhumbule ukuthi lama team lawa siyawasupporta but doesn't mean ngoba usupport iSundowns Chiefs Pirates mele manje mawukhuluma nomunye umuntu ukhulume ngedisrespect social media disrespect bafethu ibhaya too much ku X akuzokuthola abantu futhi angifuni ukukhuluma ilento sengingacela nje ukuthi abantu asikhulumeni ngebhola asekele ukukhuluma ngabantu sikhuluma ngabo Dr. Ivan Khoza nabo ba because mina uDr. Mutawu ngeke ngemdelele bro I respect that old man ukuthi kunabantu abaningi abaholayo abadlayo nxa labo baba la noma banamaphutha wabo sifine basicela sihloniphane labo madala laba kuningi abakwenzela iCountry. I'm talking this because Stadium zakhona zinjani because of ama vision wabo. Yes mhlawumbe khona ama mistake abawenzi but abantu bayuthukana nalabo madala labo. Sicela sihloniphe labo madala labo. Ase believe into engicelayo.
Siyabonga kakhulu baba.
Bonga mina.